What's good, y'all? We back again with another haircut tutorial. Today we got this low taper on the fro for y'all. Some may call it a mid taper, some call it a low taper. It's a taper with C-cups on the side, man. I don't really want to hear the rest of it. First and foremost, we starting our ball line in right at the ear level, and we're gonna take our clipper lever open and go up about a finger's width. Notice how I'm going at an angle. I'm not just going straight up. I'm fading to fit his head shape. Now we're dropping halfway and we're gonna go close, and we're gonna do some detail work in between there. Also, the clippers in this video are sponsored by Supreme Trimmer. I'm using their trimmers and their clippers. I will link those products in the description below. They have been some of my favorites to work with. They are very affordable. They are very light and they hit pretty good. Now I got my one guard on and we're going up about another inch. Well, I wouldn't say inch by the finger's width. I like to say finger's width. And with this haircut, you have to comb and brush a lot. And I'm gonna do the same steps: open, close, or open halfway, close. Right now I'm going close, and we're just cleaning up that area in between the no guard and the one guard. Now we got the 0.5 guard, and we're about to clean up in between that area. Now we going back with the no guard. We're gonna use the corner of our blade to just detail in between that no guard and that 0.5 guard area. It's always important to do that corner work, that detail work in between the blends or at the end, however you see fit. You can never detail a cut too much. Now we're gonna extend our blend with that 1.5 guard, and notice how I'm using the left corner and the right corner, just scooping out. Now y'all see me close that thing up, and I switched to my comb because it's more precise and we getting up into the bulkier hair. Now I'm going with the 2, and same thing, I'm using the corner of the blade and we just scooping out with the corner of the blade, and I'm doing a lot of comb work to get those hairs in place. Now what I'm doing is combing out that box, because that's how we're gonna get our C-cup to hit. I'm combing out that box and the areas that's surrounding it. And I'm taking that 2 guard, I'm smoothing it down. Not that it's gonna like lay it all the way down, but it's gonna give us a foundation to help flow and transition into the afro and help knock off some of the curls, so when we line it up, we don't have to fight with his hair. And here I'm just picking it out so that I can do a little freehand work, put a little shape on that joint, you know what I'm saying? We don't want it too mushroom looking. We want to put a little shape on it. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about at the end when we wet it, put some product in it, and twist it up. And the same rules apply for this side as well. I'll tap back in with y'all in a hot second.
Shit bumping, man. HP, this shit poppin', man.
Alright, so we just combed out the front lineup, and I'm knocking it down with a one guard open, keeping it dark, but laying it down smooth. And as y'all can see on his right side, his C cup is already naturally higher than the left side. That's just something to keep in mind. I could have raised up the left side to the right side, but I decided not to. I didn't think it was just that necessary, and it'll be an ugly way for it to grow back in. So as you all know, I do the shaving cream and hot towel method. That's my go-to. That's what I always been doing since I started cutting. You know, clean off that area, all the areas that we put shaving cream on. Clean that skin, get any little dirt, grime, debris, all that little type of stuff out, and stretch those hairs out so that we don't be lining up curls. We line up hairs that are now flat. That way it makes it easier for our trimmer to do their job. We won't have to fight against the hair. Now with this client, he typically likes a low back taper, so we are kind of growing it in a little bit. He likes it low, and he don't like it necessarily shaped up. So we kind of just do a light, rough draft type of taper. We don't try to have it hitting too hard or no major contrast all the way into the fro, because y'all see I had to just manhandle this man because he be playing all the time. But anyway, that's my boy. With this back taper, we kind of growing the back out because he kind of like it almost like a little shag look, but still just a light taper in the back, so it don't be turn into like a swaggy P or nothing like that. So I'm hopping straight into the 2 guard so that I don't have to go to the 1 guard first, so I can keep the top of the blend dark off rip so I know what I'm blending into. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna keep this thing as low as possible, and with the way his hair texture is, we ain't gonna be able to keep it too dark, but the objective is to keep that thing low. So we're gonna down fade now.
HP, this shit poppin', man.
As y'all can see, the back is still kind of a little nappy compared to the side taper, because, well, the hair, not the taper, because we not cleaning that area up. We kind of growing that jump back down a little bit, keeping it poofy. That's just his style. But these trimmers that I'm using, I will link them in the description down below, so you can go check them out if you're interested in purchasing a new clipper or trying out a new brand. Supreme Trimmer definitely has some pretty good tools, and with the proper prepping, proper technique, this tool definitely can get the job done. As y'all can see, I ain't got to go over it too many times. It's a tap and go type clipper, very, very lightweight. And this one got the dual battery pack, so you can take one out, sit it on a charger, and put the new battery in, so you can just get infinite amounts of runtime if you just swapping the batteries out just like that. And like I said, on this right side, the C cup grows higher naturally, so it's just shorter, but it's not that big of a detail, you know. There's gonna be a lot of people in the comment section or whatever if this video gets some views on it. Oh man, the C cup's not the same length. Yeah, we passed them days, bro. It'll be alright. Everybody hair don't grow even, and if you a young barber out there, you new, don't be trying to force the haircut to be even. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get people line pushed back. But all I'm doing right now is taking that fade blade, and I was just knocking off some of that weight in front of the line. Y'all see how freehanding the front and the sides of the hair just made everything flow just a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to have little small techniques and some little bag work to make the haircut stand out without having to add enhancements. You know, you want to be able to add to the haircut when you enhancing it, not making the haircut with enhancements. So this what that thing look like without that spray first. All good, natural, crispy, blend on point. You know what I'm saying? Now we're going in, adding our liquid solution with the airbrush compressor, laying that first coat down before we add the topic.
HP, this shit poppin', man. Shit poppin', man.
Bro always gotta look in the mirror, bro, every chance he get. You know what I'm saying? It's always a movie when he in the shop, though, I ain't gonna lie. We all got our favorite client that we goof off with, but we adding the water. We just gonna lightly dampen it a little bit, and I think I added some eco styler in his hair, the gold container joint, and I was gonna sponge it up for him, but he don't like when I sponge his hair because he like the Twist King. I think it's the little Bow Wow joint. You know, he be wanting to do it, and I'm not finna, you know what I'm saying, they just take too much shoulder and elbow work, so I had him do it. Let me do it. So he got it, and y'all about to see what this jump about to turn into after he done sponged. It gave it, you know what I'm saying, the real Jalen Rose low taper fro, mid taper fro, however you want to say it, man. But if y'all like this video, of course, like, comment what you want to see next, hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna get back with you on the next one.